So far, we have successfully trained our model on our data. But the whole point of any model is that if you have new data, you would like to see its results. Now let's assume that we become new data and we would like to actually predict it. How do we do that? I'm going to create a list for the new data. I'm going to call it new data, and it's going to contain the information we have. Now let's see the information format. If I am to print X here right now, you'll see that I am plugging in age, salary, and then gender as encoded like this. Can we imitate this format? We can do that very simply. We can pass the age. Let's say that if the age is 45, and if the salary, let's say that this new person that we are trying to predict has a salary or an estimated salary of around 45,000. And let's say that he is a male. So here we are going to pass 0 and 1, right? Because to be a male, we need here to have 1, and for female, it need to be 0. Okay, now, how can we predict this? All we need to do is just say model.predict, and then open a parenthesis like this, and just pass the new data. And as you can see here, the result is 0. Okay, since we are returning this array, you can just pass the first entry. And you'll see that the result is 0. Now let's try to change the parameters a little bit. Let's say the age is 39 and the salary is 60,000. Also 0. Let's switch to male. Again, 0. Change the age to 50. As you can see, we got 1. Alright, so this is how we predict new data. All we need to do is just pass it as a list into our prediction model.